You've probably seen the ads. You know, those sleek commercials promising effortless investing with StashAway Simple. They make it sound too good to be true, right? But here's the burning question, is it actually free? Let's dive in. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who loves to break down complex stuff into easy-to-understand bits. So, if you're looking for expert financial advice, this isn't it. But if you want to know whether StashAway Simple lives up to its free promise, you're in the right place. First off, what exactly is StashAway Simple? It's basically an automated investment platform. You give them money, they invest it for you. Sounds dreamy, right? But how does it make money if it's free? Well, that's where things get a bit interesting. Let's talk about fees. Everyone loves to avoid fees, right? With StashAway Simple, there's no account setup fee, no exit fee, and no withdrawal fee. Sounds great, right? But remember, there's no such thing as a completely free lunch. While StashAway Simple might not charge you directly, there are other costs involved. The main one is the expense ratio. This is a fee charged by the underlying funds your money is invested in. Think of it as a rental fee for using someone else's money-making machine. Now, StashAway Simple does a good job of keeping these expense ratios relatively low, but they're still there. Another thing to consider is opportunity cost. Your money could be invested elsewhere, perhaps earning a higher return. By choosing StashAway Simple, you are giving up the potential to explore other investment options. But wait, there's more. Recently, StashAway introduced a management fee for Simple and Simple Plus portfolios. So, while it might still be relatively cheap compared to other investment platforms, it's definitely not entirely free anymore. So, is StashAway Simple worth it? Well, that depends. If you're a beginner investor looking for a low-effort way to get started, it might be a good option. But if you're experienced and looking to maximize your returns, you might want to explore other options. Remember, investing involves risks. Past performance is not indicative of future results. And always do your own research before making any financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.